tooth. Here, videotape. It's on. Okay. This is probably the fifth for sure, tooth that we pulled out. But first, I have to find the right tooth. You feeling it? See? And now I'm going to do it for real.
I felt something.
Now you won't though. I should have been a dentist. Dr. Dirksen to OR, please. What do you think?
You didn't even flinch.
Now you get money from the tooth fairy.
Okay, let me see your yapper. Feel like an empty hole?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got a little bit of blood. Let's take a peek here. Open up. Yeah, looks good. Looks awesome. I did an 8. Excellent job. Excellent job. Okay, go.